Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of tan x, where sin x plus cos x is equal to 1 over 5. Or taking square to the both side, we can write sin of x plus this cos of x and square is equal to right side 1 over 5 whole square. Or applying formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. We can write sin square x plus 2 times ab, that means sin x cos of x, this term as b, plus b square, this is cos square x, is equal to right side, this will be 1 square 1 over 5 square is 25. Or this sin square x plus cos square x, this is 1. So 1 plus this 2 times sin x cos x, 2 times sin x cos x is equal to right side is 1 over 25. Now taking this 1 to right side, we will get left side 2 times sin x cos x is equal to this 1 over 25 minus this 1. Or 2 times sin x cos x, we can write it as sine of twice x. This is the formula, and it will be this 25 and this 1 minus 25 times 1 is 25. Or again applying another formula, sin 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So applying this formula, 2 times tan of x over 1 plus tan square x. This is the formula of sin 2x is equal to this 1 minus 25, this is negative of 24 divided by this 25. Now consider this tan x as a. So consider a is equal to this tan of x. So substituting tan x as a, we can write this equation twice a over 1 plus tan square x, that means a square, is equal to right side, we can write 24 over negative 25. Or applying cross multiplication, we can write 1 plus a square times 24 is equal to twice a times this negative 25. So applying this, 24 times 1 is 24 plus a square times 24 is 24a square is equal to this twice a times negative 25 is negative 50a. Or now taking this negative 50a to left side, we'll get this 24a square plus this 50a and plus this 24 is equal to 0, or divided both side by 2, we can write this 24 divided by 2 is 12 and a square, plus 50 divided by 2 is 25 times a, plus 24 divided by 2 is 12 is equal to 0, or this 12a square. Now breaking this middle term, we can write plus this 25a as 16a plus 9a, because this 16a plus 9a is 25a, and 16 times 9 is this 12 times 12, plus this 12 is equal to 0, or taking common 4a from these two terms, we can write 4a times, taking common 4a from here, it will remain 3a, plus this a has taken common and 16 divided by 4 is 4, plus taking common 3 from here, can write 3 times, here it will remain 3a, plus 12 divided by 3 is 4 is equal to 0, or this 3a plus 4 taking common 3a plus 4 times this 4a plus 3, 4a plus 3 is equal to 0. So this 3a plus 4 is equal to 0, or 4a plus 3 is equal to 0. So we can write 3a plus 4 is equal to 0, or 4a plus 3 is equal to 0. So when 3a plus 4 is equal to 0, or taking this 4 to right side, we will get 3a is equal to negative 4, and divided both side by 3, we will get a is equal to this negative 4 over 3, and we have considered this a as tan x. So substitute this a as tan x, we will get tan of x is equal to negative 4 over 3. And when 4a plus 3 is equal to 0, then taking this 3 to right side, we will get 4a is equal to negative 3, or divided both side by 4, we will get a is equal to this negative 3 over 4. Similarly, substituting a as tan x is equal to this negative 3 over 4. So the value of tan x is equal to this negative 4 over 3, or this negative 3 over 4. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.